Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Zapier with Facebook Leads. Now first, what you should do is to simply open your browser, then search for zapier.com and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you just have to simply create one. It's very easy and straightforward. And once you create the account, it will show you here this main page. Now to integrate it with Facebook Leads, you should click on Explore Zapier right here. After that, here it will show you this page. It will contain all the apps that you can actually integrate Zapier with. But here in my case, I will click here on the search bar, then type Facebook Leads. Now we can choose any one of these options. As you can see, let's choose any one of them. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now you'll have to click on Connect Facebook Lead Ads to more than 6,000 apps. Just click on this button. Then here, as you can see, it will show you here to this page. Now you can simply choose any apps that you want to integrate and click on create, and the process will be easy. And you can also click on watch video right here in order to show you more about the basics. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.